Is Telegram automatically downloading photos and videos and wasting your mobile data? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Telegram from auto-downloading media when using mobile data. Open the Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, tap Settings in the bottom of your screen. Now scroll down a little and select Data and Storage. Here you'll find a section called Automatic Media Download. Under this section, you'll see different options for mobile data, Wi-Fi, and roaming. Tap on When using mobile data. By default, Telegram may automatically download photos, videos, files, or voice messages in the background. This can quickly consume your mobile internet without you noticing. To stop that, simply turn off the toggle at the top. You can also customize it instead of disabling everything completely. For example, you can allow only photos to download automatically while blocking large videos and files. If you scroll further, you can even set file size limits for downloads. This helps prevent huge media files from downloading when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Now go back once, and your settings will be saved automatically. From now on, Telegram will no longer automatically download media while you're using mobile data.